Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. It's me, Fabian, and today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. I barely got this game, and this is my first gaming channel, and this is going to be uploaded on YouTube, and I'm ready to get started. So this voice is so low. Okay, I guess that's better. Okay. So we're gonna get started right now. It's just loading. And this is my first video. Okay, when are you born? So let's get started. I'm with him and let's play already. So I always wanted to make a gaming channel because I felt like, oh my god, like, and you probably already know that I'm on the person in Eliana Cáceres channel. Now I can play and and yes, I am, like what I said, I'm the person on Eliana Cáceres, and I'm making a gaming channel. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. This is my first gaming channel. We're gonna do like 2 rounds. Oh shoot. So yeah, I don't know. My dog Chiquita. Chiquita, stop! My dog Chiquita, and yeah, it's just my dog Chiquita barking, and oh, I'm gonna die, 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 I'm gonna die. And I died, guys. Yay, my new high score. One more round and the video is gonna end. Okay, so like what I was saying, my dog was barking, and this is new. I am gonna probably I don't know, you'll see. I need to what's it called, make a schedule for every single days I vlog. I mean, I don't do vlogs, okay. I do, but and yesterday, if you're watching this video, yesterday I uploaded a video on Eliana Cáceres, and yeah, because I didn't have time. Okay. Well, this is it. See ya, guys.